Welcome everybody. This is the simple data that I have here, which shows the t-shirt sales for the year 2019. Okay, and I have a total number of records right from 1st March 2019 till the end of 31st March 2019. Okay, so let's go ahead and expand this a bit. The purpose here is to how to go ahead and conditionally format the data that I have got with the help of a drop-down list, and include from the drop-down list we will be choosing the colors that appear here in this column. Okay, now what we can do here is simply go ahead and put in the data validation right here. Let's say I'll choose where I'm putting the data validation. I'll color this as this one. Okay, now we can choose directly from this list here, but by doing that we will be duplicating the values here. So the best possible way is to go ahead and select the whole column and paste it somewhere here, let's say, and go to the data tab and click on remove duplicates. Now we have removed all the duplicates here, and in this column we can see we have got only the unique colors, which are green, blue, yellow, red, black and white. Let's go ahead and apply a data validation here. We will choose from a list, and the source would be this one. Okay, so here we can get from this drop down all the colors that appear in this list. Okay, so let's first choose a color. Let's say green. Now we need to change the font color to black. Okay, so we have chosen the green color here. Now we need to apply the conditional formatting on this data that I've got based on the drop down that we have selected, or the drop down color that we have selected in this cell. How do we go about doing that? The best way to do that would be to select the entire range of data, hit Control backspace to go back to the starting or the first cell from which we have started, which incidentally is A2. We go to conditional formatting, new rules, we choose use a formula, and then we have to go ahead and choose the cell which contains the corresponding value here. Okay, so we will choose this cell, and we will go ahead and put an equal to sign and choose this one, but we will not fix the reference here to D2 only. We will go ahead and delete the dollar sign before 2 and fix it only to $D2, and we can choose a suitable format here. Let's say we will choose this color only. Okay, so we are all done here. Now you see everything that he's choose is in green, which has the color green, is highlighted, or rather